Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on my SC430 2005, trying to fix the steering wheel, which is bugging the hell out of me. As you can see, the steering wheel is not straight. The car drives straight, but not the steering wheel. This is, normal because I recently replaced the tie rods, the outer tie rods on each side, and too lazy to take it to make an appointment to take it to get an alignment. To get the alignment done, which is around 150 bucks. I figured since the car is driving straight but the steering wheel is crooked, maybe I can tackle this and fix it for free. So as I mentioned, the car is driving straight. The key is to play around with the tie rods, the outer tie rods, and I want to show you what I have in mind. I think it's a simple concept. We're going to test it, see how it is. If I'm successful, you can do the same thing. Basically, if you can see right now, if you look at the steering wheel, the car drives straight with this pattern of the steering, or this position of steering. But the point is, obviously, if you make the steering straight, the car drives towards the left side. And the key is to make the steering straight. As you can see, the wheels, obviously the driver wheel turns this way, and the passenger wheel also follows. But the key is to play around with the tie rods and make sure we adjust them. We remove the wheels back to the original position, which is right now this position, but we want to straighten the wheels. So here's what we need to do. Since we are moving this, we want to make sure the steering is straight, but the wheels are slanted towards the left. On the passenger side, on the driver's side, we want to make it a straight by opening up the tie rod. As you can see my hand, and I will show you when I go out, we open up the driver's side this way, and the passenger side, since it's already right like this, we close it this way. We push it in this way. So let's go out there and take a look. So this is the driver's side, and right now that the steering is straight, when the steering is straight, the wheel is towards the left. That's why when I drive, I make the wheel straight, or steering wheel straight, the car drifts to the left. And you can actually see, I can actually eyeball it and see that this is not, it's a little bit this way. So that tie rod, we have to open that up to make this straight, to move it this way. You gotta open that tie rod up. And on the other side, the same thing, but other way around. Because this one is also tilted this way, so we have to open up the bolt, make it straight, pushing it out by closing it one round going inside. So one round, I'm going to do one round, close this to go in. The other side, one round, open it. So let's do this. It should be quick and easy. Driver's side. So we want to open this up. We want to move this towards outside, so we got to open it up from there. So I'm going to open it up and move it towards, open up that bolt, move it out so this pushes in. It opens up from the back and goes in from the front a little bit. So I'm going to turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, and I'm going to get my tools. The key is to mark your spots, areas that you want to basically spin this one. You mark it right here. You mark the bolt, you mark this section. And I already marked it with a little bit of a red paint. And just gonna open up the bolt. And again, the key is to open this, move this towards that direction. Open it from this, expand it from this side. I think it's easier to grab this so it won't spin. There we go. All right, so loosen up the bolt. You can see and the key is to spin this one full circle going out, expanding it. So actually leave it here and you just got to figure out which way it goes out. There we go. So that's how I expanded the thing, the shaft, this piece. And I'm just gonna tie the bolt. Its marking is correct. All right. Do the same thing on the other side. On this side, of course, I'm gonna mark. Make sure you do your markings. I have the red mark right there. My marks are right there. So, all right, let's do this. All right, I already loosened up the bolt right here. So we're gonna close this side. One full spin. You see my red marking? One full spin. We're gonna close this, open up this nut. One full spin to close. Pay attention to the red marking. There we go. Right there. Just gonna tie the bolt down, put the wheels on, and go for a drive just to see what I did. Is gonna actually fix the crooked steering. Tie it down. Let's go for a test drive. Back from a test drive. Test drive was successful. Car drives straight. Steering wheel looks very good. I'm happy with the results, so I'm not taking the car to the alignment shop. I'm happy actually with the way steering looks. It looks way better than before. I would say 90 to 95% better. So if you like these type of videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For now, I'm going to take this baby for a ride, and I will see you guys. I will talk to you guys later next time on another project. Peace.